Yo guys, what is up? Galpin Guy AG back here today with another Animal Jam video. So today, I wanted to do just a spring cleaning since it's spring and yeah. So I'm gonna be going through my inventory, my animal. My animal inventory, I guess, and then my den inventory. So I'm gonna start off with my inventory. So I'm gonna keep all of those because I'm a hoarder and I like keeping stuff. We are going to delete that and that because I don't need it. Gonna delete that and that and that one and that because we don't need it. And no, I'm gonna keep that. We don't need those. We're gonna keep that anyway. We don't need that, we're gonna keep that. We don't need that. I'm basically recycling all my promos, or rims. No, I want those. I don't want that. I don't want that. I want to keep that. I don't want that or that. We'll keep those. Wait, I don't need those. I don't need that. I already have a pair. I don't need that. I already have a pair. Or that. I already have a pair. I don't need that. I have a pair. And I don't need that. I have a pair. Or that. Nah, I'm gonna keep that. And that. We're just gonna recycle that. So I got 18,672 something gems. Now we're gonna go to the animal inventory. I want to keep all of that. That's ugly, but I'm just gonna keep it like that, honestly. And then we're gonna recycle that. And then we're gonna recycle. No, I didn't mean to change it. Hi, I'm making a video right now, so be quiet. Whatever. Okay, I meant to recycle that animal. So we gotta recycle this animal. Thank ya. It's an ugly animal. And then we're gonna recycle that. Go away, please. No, I said go away. Okay, we're keeping that, all of that. Yep. Pretty much keeping all of this stuff because I'm a hoarder and done collecting stuff. I do not. Except we're gonna get rid of, oh my god, do I seriously have to go? All of this. Okay, justified. Whatever. I'm not even try, guys. I don't need that. One thing I'm recycling. I'm gonna probably be doing a huge giveaway, guys, of a lot of this stuff. Because most of it I don't even use. So, yeah, we're gonna be doing that. I don't need that. I do not need it. No, I want that. I don't need that. That. Everett, don't do that. He's sleeping. Okay. I guess that's it for today. Wait, why is that? Whatever. Glitch. So, anyways, guys, that was just a getting rid of stuff video. So, peace out.